Hello there. If you need to insert photos in your PowerPoint presentation, you came to the right place. I'm going to teach you how to do just that in very simple ways. So, first things first, you need a photo. Let's say, for example, I'm going to create a PowerPoint presentation and I'm going to need Snow White as a picture. So, I'm just going to click Snow White, click Images, and here look for photos that you would like to use. And to make sure that they are in this clearest resolution, you have to open link to new tab and then you can see the pictures in there. Oh, I will choose another one because this one, it seems to be difficult to open. Here you go. It's just basically experimenting on which works best. So then you have to save image as. So what I did was to right click and then click save image as. So just like this, save image as, and then you just have to, I usually choose a download and then just change the file name to Snow White. Then we go to PowerPoint presentation. I'm going to create a PowerPoint and then once it's open, I'm going to create a blank presentation. Then let's say my title is Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. Seven Dwarfs. Then, oh, sorry for the misspelling. And once done, if you want to insert the picture, so I'd rather like remove this for a better view, you have to go to insert here and then click pictures and then click this device. But actually you can also choose like stock images or online pictures if you'd rather. But for me, if it's better to use this saved pictures, but I will also show you how to do stock images later on. So just go to downloads where you put the image that you've downloaded and then click insert and then that's it. You already have your picture. But what about if we use stock images? Now let me create another slide and widen this one. Now let's click insert once more, click pictures, let's say stock images. And then PowerPoint already has stock images available for you to use. Let's say I'm going to use these birds. Then I'm going to click that and click insert. And then it will download the picture to your PowerPoint presentation. And there, you already have your photos. Now let's create another one where we use the online photos. Let's say here, insert pictures and then online pictures. And then let's say beach. So I clicked beach. There are lots of options. Then I'll choose this one. And I'll just click it and click insert and it will download into your PowerPoint presentation. Then you can just save your PowerPoint presentation after editing. Just click save as and put it wherever suits you best. And that's it on how to insert pictures in your PowerPoint presentation. If you need me to create another video, please feel free to let us know and I'll be happy to create more videos for you. That's all for now. See you later.